At IE University, education extends far beyond the classroom. Through study trips, students from all our programs at the IE School of Politics, Economics, and Global Affairs immerse themselves in real-world environments, gaining first-hand experience of the global dynamics that shape our world. These journeys are an essential component of studying at IE School of Politics, Economics, and Global Affairs, providing unparalleled insight into how leadership skills are developed in real-life scenarios, how multilateral institutions work, or how the Sustainable Development Goals are implemented. From meeting professionals at the heart of Europe's multilateral organizations to tackling global challenges, students engage with leaders and experts who inspire and challenge them to think globally. These experiences bring academic theories to life, allowing students to witness the practical impact of economic policies, international cooperation, and sustainable development initiatives, among others. Each journey is an opportunity for personal and academic growth, where students develop teamwork, leadership, and problem-solving skills that can't be taught in a classroom. Whether they are sharpening their leadership skills in the Himalayas, discussing policy in Brussels, presenting research findings in Paris, contributing to SDGs in the Mediterranean coasts, or attending global forums in Saudi Arabia, our students are actively shaping their future careers and contributing to global solutions. From Geneva to New York City, Turin to Beijing, the Colombian Amazonas to Luxembourg, Berlin, and many more, their journey spans the world, embracing diverse cultures, challenges, and opportunities to make a real impact. At IE University, we don't just prepare our students academically, we equip them with the tools to tackle real-world challenges and lead global change. The world is their classroom, and the lessons learned on these journeys will guide them as they shape the future.